Hey everybody, I'm here today to do an unboxing and review of this Apocabox. This Apocabox is the February 2019 Apocabox, and the theme of this Apocabox is Tobacco Hawk. Now I'm doing my best to get some pretty good lighting in here, but you're going to see a lot of shadows, so just bear with me. Now for those of you that don't know, the Apocabox is a bi-monthly subscription-based box, and it's a subscription-based box that is based on survival items. So that means you're gonna get a lot of survival items. Now, what I love about Apocabox is that instead of getting like 50 different pamphlets and advertisements like you get in some subscription boxes, some different types of subscription boxes, you get a contents list just like this, and the rest of it is pretty much stuff that you can actually use. So this is, like I said, February 2019. As you can see, February 2019, Tobacco Hawk. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place this just over here to the side on my lap, and I'm gonna use it as a guideline for what is in the Apocabox. So let's go ahead and unbox it. First and foremost, we have a You Dig It light duty ultralight shovel. Check this thing out. This is a shovel. It feels like honestly a few sheets of paper. That's how light it is, and it's actually really sturdy, and it has a good tip, meaning you can like dig up a good amount of stuff with this. So you can put this in your bag. It's not that big. It's unbelievably light. Like, I mean, literally, it feels like I'm holding a few sheets of paper. It's unbelievably light, and you can use it in the wilderness to shovel up different things. So that's the first thing right there. The next thing that we have in this Apocabox, like I said, I'm doing my best with the lighting here, is Stacy Lynn's Handbook, Preserving 101, Canning, Freezing, and Drying, Volume number 1. As you can see, it is a handbook right here, and I love it when I get little mini handbooks in the Apocabox subscription boxes that I get, simply because I keep a collection of these. And whenever I'm about to go out on any type of wilderness excursion, I see which book can I bring along with me. They're light, they're small, they're compact, you can easily put them in your bag, and they give you a lot of information. And if you're ever bored, you can read through them rather quickly. I mean, so even if you're not going on a survival outing, you can just read through this in one sitting, and it's going to really upgrade your survival knowledge. So this is a great thing, and like I said, I like it when I get these little handbooks within the Apocabox. The next thing right here is the fishing kit. As you can see, it's a fishing kit, and it has, in terms of its, let's bring this a little bit closer. Sorry about the glare and the shadows. I wanted to film this video right now, and this is literally the best that I could do. The contents, it has line, approximately 36 meters. It has winder, swivels, 2 of them, 2 hooks, 2 weights, and 2 lures. Let's open it up. I'll just give you a quick idea of what's inside. We're gonna open it up, and I'll just hold it like this. You can see inside that they've packed all of this fishing gear into this one little kit. I mean, it's really a convenient little thing. You can pack this in your bag easily, and if you're going near a lake, you know, as long as you are allowed to do so, you can go fishing with this. Really useful, and I mean, if you're in a survival situation, this can really be useful, okay? The next thing right here looks like a mat in the form of a camo pattern, but I'm actually just gonna look on the contents list. So I really like this contents list because I can just look at what comes with it, right? So this looks like the survival utility panel, and it's a 2x2, so 2 foot by 2 foot waterproof utility panel. So basically, it is a all-encompassing utility panel. I'm just gonna open it up. 2 feet by 2 feet waterproof panel. As you can see, really useful. You want to set up shop on this. You want to start put together your fishing kit on this. Whatever you want to do, you want to put some food on this, you can do it. It's waterproof, and it's a utility panel. It's very much all-inclusive. There is another object right over here. Check this out. I mean, this is cool. Look at this. You have on one side, you have a fork. Look at this. A fork. So you're in a survival situation, you can use a fork to eat your food. And guess what? You need to cut your food too? You have a knife on this side to cut your food too. Literally, you just put it like this right here. Look at that. You have a knife on this side, you have a fork on this side, and you also have an opener on this side. And you have a keychain. When you fold it all down, it is unbelievably small, unbelievably compact. You throw this in your bag, and you're good to go. Look at this thing. So small, so easy to use. I mean, this is the stuff that I like and I look for in these Apocaboxes. These items that I can use constantly. I mean, I can just use this when I'm eating at home, in my opinion. If I'm I live downstairs in the basement, you know, if I bring food down and I forget a fork and a knife upstairs, bada bing, right here, you have your fork and your knife to use, just like that. So what we have here is a little bit of a pamphlet. So Wilderness Introduction Training and Survival Outdoors. Very simple, an event that you can go to, very simple. You can check that out right there. And like I said, there's not many pamphlets in the Apocabox. That's why I like it. Now this is the absolute glory of this box. What we have here is a little piece of wood with some holes in it. And what I have in here is the actual tobacco hawk. And I'll read you the description in just a moment, but I want to show you. So what I would do is I would attach the tobacco hawk, which is right over here, this piece right here, using the hardware that comes with it, to this piece of wood right here. And you would have a full tobacco hawk. I'm just going to read you the description right here. I'll sum it up of what Creek said. Creek Stewart is the creator of the Apocabox, and he always lets you know what is in it and how it relates to his life. So you'll notice the tobacco hawk in this box comes in two pieces, the head and the unfinished handle. So what Creek is saying, I'm going to assume for the rest of it, is that they want you to assemble it, which is fairly straightforward. There's just some hardware that you would bolt to the handle, as you can see right here. And they want you to carve out the handle to make it a finished product. This way you can make it your own tobacco hawk. Tobacco hawks are very useful, and that's basically it. I mean, in this video, unboxing and review, I just wanted to go over some of the things that come in the Apocabox. Once again, this is the February, ooh, I almost dropped it, February 2019 Apocabox. And it is the tobacco hawk theme. And like I said, there's not a lot of frills in the Apocabox. Like, they literally get shredded newspaper, and that's what they use to pack the box. It is just like nothing. There's no fluff in the box. You just get good stuff. That's why I like it. And that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this unboxing and review. Like I said, I feel like my videos are similar to the Apocabox in the sense that there's no fluff. I'm not here trying to give you the best backdrop, the best lighting. I did what I could right now in my car. The sun is beaming down, there's shadows everywhere, but you know what? I tried to give you the best perspective of what's going on with the Apocabox for February 2019. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.